There's a reason why the most popular guitar mod ever is changing out tuners. You take a cheap guitar, chances are you can make it a lot better by upgrading the tuners on it. This is my Harley Benton TE20 that we are modifying on this channel. If you checked out the last video, you saw we switched out the pickups and these pots right here for these Fishman Fluence Moderns. Today we are moving from the body up to the headstock and changing out the tuners. Now the tuners on this guitar are not great. It's a cheap guitar, don't expect them to be great. These are Hipshot locking tuners. These are going to be a perfect addition to this guitar. Now, why would I want to change out the tuners in the first place? There's a lot of reasons why you should change out your tuners, and there's a lot of reasons why it's the most popular mod to do on a guitar. One, it's easy. It also makes your guitar play a lot better and feel better. I believe one of the best ways to get better at playing guitar is by picking it up and just playing it. And in my opinion, if the guitar feels better to me, if it feels like a more quality instrument, it makes me want to play it more. I think tuners are a really great way to just upgrade the feel of the guitar. Whenever you're tuning a guitar with cheap tuners, it doesn't feel great. I feel like subconsciously in your head, it just makes you think, wow, this is a cheap instrument. Whereas if you were to feel like it's a more quality instrument, you would be more inspired to pick it up and play, therefore making you a better guitar player. So if you needed a justification on getting this mod, that is your justification right there. You can get tuners for like 30, 40 bucks, like upgraded tuners. These are a little more expensive. They're a very high quality. These are Hipshot tuners, not a sponsor. I hope one day they will be. I already have Hipshot tuners on one of my guitars. I'll show you right now. This is one of my other Telecasters. Chances are if you've seen me play live, you've seen me play this guitar. This is my workhorse. I play this all the time. I've upgraded the tuners in this guitar. I have Hipshot open gear locking tuners. I wanted to try out the just the normal locking tuners. These have that little thumb screw in the back, like this one. I imagine they're pretty similar. They're just black. So we're gonna put those on today. This is a mod I've done before on another guitar like this one, and it's super easy. Honestly, it takes less than 5 minutes to do. Some more benefits of putting locking tuners on your guitar is it not only does it feel better to tune, but it's a better tuner. It's a better machine. So these tuners, you know, they can slip every now and then. They're a little loosey-goosey at times. If I were a guitar manufacturer, I'd probably put locking tuners in every guitar, but I understand you need to cut costs at times and put some cheap ones in. The benefit is locking tuners aren't that expensive. So you can put this on any of your guitars. It's super easy to do, and it only takes a couple minutes. So let's get into it. All right, so I got my guitar on my makeshift workstation here, as you can see. One great thing about the Hipshot system here is you have these to help you line it up on the guitar. Just makes installation so much easier. Because of this, it's not going to take very long at all. So we're obviously going to have to cut off all the strings and everything. One thing I always recommend to do whenever you change out your strings or whatever, you know, if you have an opportunity to do this and you're taking your strings off, is to go ahead and get some lemon balm on your fretboard just to make it super silky smooth and the playing experience a little bit better. I just try to do it pretty much every time. Also promotes, you know, good health of the wood and everything, reduces cracking and makes the guitar feel so much better. So always do that whenever you take off your strings. Alexa, play Pierce the Veil. And really the only tool you need here is a wrench or whatever works for this. I'm using like a socket wrench set because this is just what I have. But you just need to loosen these up and then basically just change them out with the hardware that looks the exact same. Super easy. So here we go. It's very important that you don't over tighten these because it can affect how the tuners perform. So just get it kind of finger tight with, I just used this socket thing, and I just did it finger tight. And then I'm just gonna go in and like do like an eighth of a turn, like literally so slight, just to make sure they're tightened in. And then that's all you need. I guess in this case I'm doing a quarter turn because it does feel a little loose. One last thing I want to always recommend before, if you've never done this on your guitar before, if you have a crappy nut like I do on this guitar, sometimes your nuts aren't as good as they could be, you know. So what we're going to do is just get a mechanical pencil, just get it a little more slippery on the nut here. Sometimes slippery nuts are good, sometimes they're bad. In this case, you want a slippery nut. All right, so yeah, I can tell you right now I'm definitely happy with how this turned out. This is actually kind of crazy. For it to be such a cheap mod and it be so noticeable and so much of a quality upgrade, I definitely recommend upgrading your tuners. I used Hipshot tuners, as I said before. I just like how easy they are to install, but it's a mod that you can do for like 30, 40, 50 bucks. Depending on what you want to spend. Yeah, I can definitely tell you right now, just this motion right here feels so much cleaner, just high quality. And like I said, with a high quality feel like that, it's going to inspire you to pick up the guitar, play it more, and overall you're just going to get better at the guitar, better and better every time you pick up the guitar. So if there's anything you can do to your guitar to make it play better, to where it would inspire you to pick it up, write better riffs, or just practice more, that's a win in my book. If you haven't seen the last video, we swapped out the pickups for these Fishman Fluence Moderns. I got a Hipshot bridge put in. It's a lot of fun. What should I do next to this guitar? I have a couple other ideas, but I want to hear from you guys. What would you do? Stay tuned for the build videos. Subscribe if you like anything music related, guitar gear related. I think next time I'm going to take you on a vlog to one of my shows, so it'll be a lot of fun. Hope to see you guys there. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and hope you have a great rest of your day. Peace out.